The cost of ignoring Volvo ignition switch problems. Suspect an ignition switch problem in your Volvo? Don't take it for granted, as leaving such a problem unaddressed can result in costly repairs. What kind of problems, you asked? Well, read on to find out. What problems can a bad ignition switch cause? Problem number 1, car won't start. You won't be able to start your Volvo if its ignition switch is defective. If you don't want to make the matter worse, contact a professional. Problem number 2, engine dies just after starting. Does your Volvo engine die just past ignition? Well, if so, you are likely dealing with a failing ignition switch. Problem number 3, engine stalls while driving. Another problem you may face due to a bad ignition switch is engine stalling. Fix the issue before it takes a turn for the worse. Problem number 4, lights go on and off while driving. Flickering lights can also indicate an ignition switch problem in your Volvo. Also, such a problem can occur due to battery drain. So, what's the solution? You must repair the defective ignition switch immediately. Because, if you don't, you may end up with expensive repairs. To put it briefly, keep an eye on your Volvo's ignition switch. If you suspect a problem, contact a professional.